Hey y'all, welcome to Southern Yankee DIY. I'm Leah, this is Eli, and we're so excited to have you here today. If this is your first time joining us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below because you don't want to miss out on any of Southern Yankee DIY's projects, room renovations, or budget-savvy home decor. Today we've got something extra special planned for y'all. We joined up with a bunch of other extremely talented YouTubers to bring you some organization. January is the month of organizing, and we wanted to give you a jump start with some great ideas. Today, Eli and I are going to show you how simple and easy it is to put together an organized living freedom rail system. They were so kind to send us the gift wrapping kit that goes with their freedom rail system, and it is so easy to put together, and if your life is anything like mine, you probably have to do most things one-handed. So you're going to see in this video how simple it is to put together and how easy and nice it makes all of your gift wrapping readily available for you. Everything looks so clean, neat, and organized. Plus, I'm going to link the other YouTubers' videos down below, so make sure you check them out and tell them we sent you. Let's get started. For this project, we were lucky enough to get to work with Organized Living, which is a great organizational brand. They have an amazing freedom rail system, and it helps you to organize your pantry, closets, and in this case, we got the gift wrapping kit. Our kit came with a 6-inch basket, a 4-inch basket, what they call a big can holder basket, and a shoe rack. So we will show you how to put all this together to make it into a perfect gift wrapped storage area. Their over-the-door freedom rail system can fit standard or commercial doors. We're going to use the standard clips. They are marked with an S on top of that top bracket. And these two pieces just click together super simple. You've got 2 sets of them, so you want to make sure both of them are clicked into place. Next, we're going to assemble our uprights. They come with 2 uprights, an upper and a lower. The upper upright is the one with the large screw in it, and you'll see what we're going to use for that. So you want to connect your clip into the top of the upright, the side opposite of the screw, and hang that on top of your door. Next, you're going to use the lower upright. This is the one without that long screw, but you can see that there's a place for that long screw to fit in. So you'll take the opposite side of that one, and then you'll place your other clip on that one. This is the part that it's going to go on the bottom side of your door. So simply slide that one into place. Once you have both uprights on the door, it's time to connect them. They give you a small Allen wrench to do this. Basically, I just took the top upright and screwed back that screw as far as it would go so that I could fit in the bottom upright. Then at this point, Eli started to need me, so I had to put a pause on this project and go and grab him. He just wanted to be a part of the whole thing. So back to it with my Allen wrench. All you do is tighten up the 2 uprights until they are connected. It should be nice and tight on your door. Don't let it be wiggly or loose, or else that will affect your storage. Now it's time to set up your baskets. These you can do in any order you want to. The big or the small baskets can go at the very top. That's completely up to you. I wanted my larger basket at the top because that's going to hold my bigger ribbon and also my little treat bags. Next, I added in the smaller baskets for my smaller ribbon. And at the very bottom is going to be where your big can holder basket and your shoe rack go. That's what's going to hold the wrapping paper itself in place, and you'll see how this is done in just a minute. As you can see, these baskets are super simple to put on. I can do them all one-handed, which is essential, especially if you have a 7-month-old who refuses to be put down. This whole system was so simple and easy to put together. I am so happy we went with this brand. As you can see, our other baby joined us in this project. She's super needy also and wants to be right involved. Does anybody else not ever get to do any projects alone? Of course, it wouldn't be a Southern Yankee DIY project if we didn't have a happy dance at the end. Now it's time for the fun part, adding in all of my supplies. The top basket I'm going to use for all of my large ribbon and small gift bags. That's the perfect place for them. Next, I'm going to add in my string ribbon. That's perfect for tying gifts or tying gift tags to presents. And in my other basket, I'm going to add in all of my smaller ribbon. I'm also going to use the bottom portion to store all of my wrapping paper, which is perfect because there's never any good storage options for wrapping paper without it getting in the way, and I always have so much left over. This system is really great for organizing all of your wrapping paper needs. Now it's all in one place and I don't have to fumble around to get all of my supplies together. Don't forget to check back too for when we finish our closet organization project. That will all be done by next week and I'm so excited about it. I hope you all enjoyed this super quick and easy wrapping paper storage idea, and I'm going to link the other YouTubers down below so that you can check all of their organization projects. I hope you all have a happy new year and a great day.